look at my watch. Astig ang watch ko, tingnan mo, Tag Heuer yan, di ba? My watch, ay, Seiko, okay? Yan, Tag Heuer, okay? Paano ko nagkaroon ng Tag Heuer watch? Okay, because in my 59 years as a teacher, I taught only 2 boys, of whom I can say, these boys graduated 4 times as valedictorian. Grabe, 4 times. Ako na hindi minsan meron naging valedictorian, meron din naging valedictorian. Siya naging valedictorian ng Pagkitirin, alright? But these guys were valedictorians in grade school. Ateneo, valedictorian in high school. Ateneo, valedictorian in college. Ateneo, valedictorian when they got religious studies, Loyola House of Studies. 4 times valedictorian. The first guy is, kilala niyo siguro, is Malamig Francisco. That guy is super duper brave. Right? The other one, never mind. He does not want his name to be mentioned. Anyway, this guy is not only super paraplegic bright, but he's also very rich. Okay, taga Green Meadow sila. Ang ganda bahay niya, no? Okay, meron pa silang intercom sa bahay, okay? Pag ano sa bahay, yung siya nagbilinda, he does not go to the kitchen, intercom lang. Pero na dito ng hamburger sandwich at patelyan ng next week, it's very cold, ha? Dating na yung patelyan ng coke. Ayan, ganyan. And it's not only, nung graduate siya sa high school, I know, because he was my student. Ang regalo ng nanay sa kanya, kotse. Okay, after the boy was driving it for 1 month, okay, nabundo yung kotse sa likod. And the mother got terribly excited na pala, huwag mo nang gamitin yung kotse yan, malas yung kotse yan, mapapano pa sa kanya, huwag mo nang gamitin, ibibili kita ng bago. And he was that rich. And the boy is not only very bright, he's not only very rich, he's also quite good looking, alright? I know for the fact that he was in college, 4 girls were after him, no? 2 of the girls were very pretty, the other 2 never mind. You're very bright, okay, you're very rich, alright, you're good looking, alright, what more ka naman need, no? And alright, yung graduation sa college, mabuti dumating ako ng maaga at mabuti there was a private room because the mother and the father requested to see me. When I saw the mother and the father, I was expecting them to smile from ear to ear, no? But grabe, no, okay, the mother was crying, no? And the father was very angry. Pagpasok ko, Mr. Pagsaman, sabi, ano bang kalintik ka na tinutulog ko sa klase? So dahil ko, ayan, sabi na yung anak ko, balit ko rin ang lintik niya. Sabi ko, pero ayan, you know, sabi ko, 2 weeks before graduation, I received a letter from Father Provincial accepting my son as a novice in the Secretary of Jesus. Ang aking nangyayari, lahat ng sabi mo, siya lang isang lalaki sa mga anak ko. Yung dalawang babae, hindi kaya no? Kanya lamang para sa kanya lamang. What will happen? Sabi ko no. And that's how I got this watch. Because this watch belonged to this guy. No? And before the guy entered, he saw me and he said, Sir, I cannot wear expensive things anymore. Sabi ko, he bought himself a Chiquipay watch, brand watch. And he said, Sir, you wear this for me. Sir, pag hindi ako natuloy, I'll get the watch from you. Okay. But now the watch is mine because the boy was already ordained. Why am I a teacher? Because our boys are wonderful. It's the way we handle them. It's the way we shape them. Sayang yung pagkakataon ko natin sa mga lalo na sa high school, no? Grade school, wala pa teacher said, mommy said, no? Pero since high school, they begin to ask, why? Bakit? They begin to experiment with things for the first time. They begin to experiment with cigarettes, they begin to experiment with tobacco, they begin to experiment with love, alright? And at that point, siguro kailangan ng catchers of the ride. We'll stand on the very rim and say, Pare, if you believe me, okay, pare ko, I've made more mistakes than you have. And believe me, nakikita ko na ang kainat na kapag ikaw ginawa ko. Catcher. It's wonderful to become a teacher. You say, how do I live my nation spiritually? Because I'm a teacher. I cannot be a teacher and not live what I teach. I have to be good. I just have to be. If not for myself, then for the kids for whom I'm really laying out my life. be a teacher. Lalo sa Ateneo, sa dami-dami ng mga principal na naging under ako, no? May isang principal na pinakamagaling para sa akin, no? Pero tumagal lamang siya ng 1 year, no? After 1 year, he couldn't stand us anymore, no? And after 1 year, we couldn't stand him anymore. Yes, Father Candelaria, no? So when I said, Father, you're too young for us. You want things, you brilliant ideas, but you want them implemented right away. Father, psychology of change, no? Di ba? Psychology of change, no? Kasi he wanted it right away, no? You know, the most wonderful things that introduce our high school, I think, what makes Ateneo High School education distinctive is every morning, pagkatapos ng bayan, mag-iibig sa ibig ko, Pilipinas, okay, that the class moderator, the classroom teacher is supposed to conduct a 5-minute reflection period. And how can you conduct a substantial reflection period unless the teacher himself has reflected on what he's going to share? And unless the teacher himself is struggling to be able to live up to the things that he's going to reflect on. Ateneo High School education. Father, send younger Jesuits to the high school, no? Pinadadali ko rin mga dapat ng babasted, di ba, no? Kaya naman ngayon, Father RBs, bata-bata pa ng konti, no? Because if you want vocation from the high school, please send us young men who by the decisions that they make can say, look, I could have enjoyed everything that you enjoy. It's within my power, but I made the decision, and for me this decision is very important. It is worth my life. We need human testimonies. So when will be doorways but no doors? You can never close up the chapel. And the same thing, while I found the lady, the same thing. So, kung natapos ako at 10:30, and there are still 3 people that is going to see, correct? And in every new client that you will spend 30 minutes, what time is he going to bed? 12 o'clock. What time does a good Jesuit wake up in the morning? Well, if it's anything like Father Reuter, I used to buy Sunday Times before, when Father Reuter was writing every Saturday. His column is entitled, at 3 a.m. He wakes up at 3 a.m. If he goes, the lady, and I think he does, the lady goes to bed at past 12 o'clock and is up at 1:30 because you cannot deliver fiery lectures, no? Lectures that homilies that will change lives, no? Unless pinagsipan mo, pinagdasalan mo. No wonder he died of overload. The apex of his accomplishment was already from the dati yung chapel sa UP, yung kwadro ng mga kabayo ng mga American forces na doon. And Father, the lady says, no, he says, we'll build a new chapel. And that's where the circular chapel came from. Ibang-iba si Father Delini mag-isip. So he said, I'm not interested in the equivalent of, I'm not interested in a Henry C. donating 10 million pesos. Not interested in Lusutan donating 5 million pesos. He says, this is your chapel. It's going to be called the Chapel of the Holy Sacrifice. And if this chapel is ever to rise up, it's going to be built out of your sacrifice and mine. And he looks at the girl and says, it will be the party interest that you could have bought but did not buy. Alright? It could be the nice wire shirt that you could have bought but did not buy. It could be the bottle of Coke that you could have drunk but did not drink. It could be the movie that you wanted to see but did not see. It's going to be the Chapel of the Holy Sacrifice, your sacrifice and mine. That's the way he thought. That's the way he lived. Doorways, but no doors. That is generosity. Dearest Lord, teach me to be generous. Teach me to serve you as I should. To give and not to count the cost. To fight and not to give the wounds. To toil and not to seek for rest. To labor and ask not